proof that the mock silencer on the FNX airsoft pistol actually works. There you go. Pro on, shoot at where the tape is. See? I get my chrono. Look straight through. Oh, that one shot back at me. Oh, well, that's thicker area. Straight through. Straight through. Straight through. Straight through. Straight through. So it must be working. And I'm learning how to gas guys, but it's still straight through. Convinced it works. That'll have to work. Have to do until I grab up a chrono, but I'm pretty sure it definitely works. What do you guys think?